What's going on, guys? I want to go over some of my Topstep stats for today. Now, we had a little bit of a dead cat bounce in the overall markets. That's kind of what I'm going to be going over here, but I want to show you a little bit of the stats. So again, you guys know that I trade micros on these funded accounts, and the reason being I trade micros versus minis is, yes, we can make a lot of money trading these mini contracts, sure, when they go in our favor. However, when we're trading these prop firms, the drawdown that we're allowed, whether it's intraday trailing drawdown or end of day drawdown, is just not enough or sufficient enough to kind of allow ourselves to be consistent over a long series of trades. It's not enough to allow us to take a drawdown that's going to allow us to stay in this game for a long time. Sometimes, you know, on a $50,000 account, you maybe have $2,000, $2,500 drawdown. Maybe a $100,000 account, you have $3,000, $3,500 drawdown, which is not a lot, especially when you're playing minis. And you know, the range, especially if you're going to trade something like the NQ, where the range is so big that, you know, one bad move where you get stopped out, you could be down $2,000 or $3,000 in one particular trade that essentially can still continue to go in your favor, but you don't have enough room to kind of play with. So again, please, I don't care if you're sitting on a $50,000 personal account, please do not trade minis unless, you know, you have a really good cushion for, you know, the year, for the month, for the quarter, whatever. So anyways, you know, I took 6 trades today, 60 contracts, because at one point in time I was trading upwards of 8 to 10 contracts at a time. Again, micros. Keep that in mind. As I started to win, I started to load more contracts because I had a little bit of a buffer, a little bit of a cushion, right? So again, my average trade time was only 3 minutes. I am a scalper. I'm going to find the levels. I'm going to wait for them to break, and then I'm going to get into them, and I'm going to get out on that first initial run. The longest trade time was 6 minutes here. Profitable trades was 83% of my trades were profitable. I only lost 1 trade on the day for a total loss of $52. My largest winning trade was $130, and my average winning trade was $81. So what we're going to do is we are going to look at, why is that like that? So we are going to look at the NQ, and we're going to kind of see exactly what I was looking at, right? So again, I got the daily time frame here. This 15,021 is definitely a level that we're going to want to be watching. Here's what I'm looking at here. So if you notice this candle here at 6:40 in the morning, we are still trapped below a lot of level of supply. It's very congested here. I know it's hard to see because it's so congested, but what I was looking to see is, could we pop into this next channel? So notice this blue line here, notice this blue line here. I wanted to see us break into this channel level, and if I put a price level line here, that's the level I was looking for, the 15,126. And I was talking about this on the live stream this morning. Again, if you're a member of evolutiontraders.com, you're a lifetime member, you guys get access to that live stream. That live stream is for you guys. It's available in the Discord. You can jump on and trade with me each and every single day live. I'm going over analysis in real time, and then it gets uploaded to YouTube when I'm all said and done for the day. So that way everyone else can kind of see what we did, right? Because again, my number one priority is my team. My team is Evolution Traders. That's who I focus on first. That's who I'm here to make money with. I'm not here to make money for everyone else on YouTube. I'm only here to make money with my team. So again, as we broke this level, I was talking about that 15,126 level. We broke this level. I got long here at 7 a.m. So another thing that I was also looking at was the hourly candles, right? So I'm looking at the hourly candles in the morning, and I want you to notice the hourly candle. And on the live stream, you guys can now go back and look at that live stream. I was stressing this level so much. When we shot down here, we immediately shot back up. We got back into the channel, reclaimed the 20 and the 10, and we stopped right here at the 5. Look at the 15,126 level. The next 7 a.m. candle confirms that. You got to get long because you had a clear shot up here to 15,163, and that's exactly what I played. I played it all the way up into 15,163, in and out a couple of times there. And then if we go back to the 5-minute chart, I want to quickly show you guys something here, because there was another trade that was done. So after we got over this 15,126, I'm going to sell 1, 2, 3 pushes higher here in this vicinity. We started to pull back, and as we started to hold this 5 SMA here, I took another little bit of a scalp trade here once we took out this high of day at around 15,173, because I understood our potential was into the linear regression. Took a few more contracts there and kind of played it that way. Now I did also take a short position, which again, I don't like to to preach, because anytime we're in an uptrend, you're playing against a trend. It's very, very risky. However, when we first lost a 20 SMA here, we also lost a channel level. And I seen that we had the 50 EMA here. So I went ahead and used a 1 bar stop, meaning the reason why candle, I put a stop over that. I waited for the next candle to confirm here at 9:15 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. And as soon as it confirmed, I took 2 contracts short. Again, very, very small size. Let that kind of run into my level of supply. And as we approach this 50 EMA, I just quickly got out, because I understand we're in an uptrend, at least for the day, right? Short term, we're in an uptrend. So I'm not looking for the whole sack of potatoes. I'm just looking for 1 potato. That's it. I just need to get my 1 potato, and I just need to go on about my business. So as we pull into this area of demand here, we got to be thinking immediate bounce, right? Because again, we're in an uptrend. We're looking for those moving averages to catch us and then slingshot us back up. So again, if you guys are looking to trade futures, maybe you guys are on a prop firm or a personal account, and you guys want to get live intraday technical analysis in real time, join Evolution Traders. You're going to get access to the strategy courses where it's going to teach you how I use this chart. You're going to get access to the chat rooms. You're going to get access to the live levels. You're going to get access to the rest of the guys in the room. So again, invest in yourself, invest in your education. But again, take this shit seriously, guys. If you think that you're just going to turn on your computer screen right when the market opens and you're just going to find some magic trade and make a bunch of money, you're going to lose every single time, because there's someone else who has been putting in the time and the effort and the work, who's on the other side of the trade, who's going to take your money from you. Think about the lunchtime bully at school, or the kid who's stealing your pocket change on the bus ride home. There's always that bigger, badder kid who's been around the block, and it's going to take the average kid to kind of stand up for themselves and actually put in the work, either how to defend themselves or how to avoid these people, or whatever the case may be. Maybe everyone has different resolution schemes. For me, I would look to learn how to defend myself. And how do we defend ourselves in the market? Is by taking trades, understanding our mistakes, and learning how to get better at this craft. This is a skill set that, if learned, can change your life forever. Okay, forever. You have to believe that. If you don't believe that it can change your life forever, you've already lost step 1. Believe that you can change your life forever. Believe that you're going to put in the work, but also take the trades. It's no good to be a chart warrior. So a chart warrior is someone who's just looking at the charts and constantly battling their mind and trying to figure out what they can do, where should they get in. Oh no, it's ran without me. Oh, there's a little bit of supply here, I can't take it. Stop being a chart warrior, start being an active trader. An active trader is an absolute monster. Think about yourself as a shark. You're swimming through the ocean. You find these little guppies, these whatever the sharks eat, fish, swordfish, I don't care, tuna, doesn't matter. Find what you like, meaning setup. Take that trade, learn from your mistakes. If you lose the battle, fine. Oh well, there's another battle to be had. But again, start taking a trade, start learning what to do right, and start learning what you're doing wrong. And let's all make some money. Again, if you guys want to make money with me, join evolutiontraders.com, and I'll see you guys on the inside.